We're back on day 10. We're going to do problem 66 and 67 in this video. 66 is a long word problem that boils down to a math function, and it's not really hard. It says cell site is a site where electronic communications equipment is placed in a cellular network for the use of mobile phones. The numbers of cell sites from 1985 through 2008 can be modeled by y equals 237,101 over 1 plus 1950 e to the negative 0.355t, where t represents the year with t equals 5 corresponding to 1985. Use the model to find the number of cell sites in 2007. First, we need to find out what value of t we're going to have. So here are the number of years from 2007 to 1985. It's 2007 minus 1985. That's going to be 22 years. But t equals 5 corresponding to 1985, so that means we're going to have to add 5 to get 27. T equals 27. So we're going to evaluate this function when t equals 27. So we have 237,101 over 1 plus 1950 times e to the negative 0.0355 times 27. We're going to enter that in the calculator. Go back to the main screen, and we're going to enter 237,101 divided by, now we're going to put this in parentheses because we have stuff tied together with addition and subtraction in there, or subtraction in there. So we're going to put the denominator in parentheses. 1 plus 1950 times e, remember second ln brings up e to the power, negative 0.355 times 27, and then we're going to come out of that, close the parentheses on the denominator, and evaluate, and we get 209,071. We'll look at our answer choices. 209,071, and that's answer B. '67 says let Q represent a mass of radioactive radium, the symbol in grams, whose half-life is 1,599 years. The quantity of radium present after t years is given by Q equals 5 times 1/2 raised to the t divided by 1599. Determine the quantity present after 300 years, round to the nearest hundredth of a gram. So we're going to use t equals 300, and we're going to plug in there. So we get Q equals 5 times 1/2 raised to the 300 divided by 1599. Again, we'll go to the calculator. This is math I would never expect you to do in your head. 5 times 0.5 is 1/2. You could put 1 divided by 2 or a fraction 1/2, however. We're going to raise that to the power of 300 divided by 1599. That's the power. Now I'm going to hit enter and get 4.39. Hundredths is 2 decimal places, so 4.39 grams. And that answer is answer D.